Osborne is known for their educational books, what we like to call our homework helpers. And this video is going to show you some that deal with math and English and world geography, social studies, that kind of thing. So the first one is we've got a very wide selection of illustrated encyclopedias. This one happens to be on geography, but there's also ones for science, there's ones for math, and there's other ones like this. There's world history, there's world religion, so several to choose from in this category. But these are great for kids 10 and up, so as they're getting into junior high, and lots of information. Great pictures to look at. These are also internet linked, so kids can go online and get more information than what is actually just referenced in this book, which I think is great, especially since a lot of schools, I know our district is going to a one-to-one initiative where everybody's going to have a Chromebook, so this will be a great way for them to use that in conjunction with that as well. So great information in these. For English, we have our illustrated thesaurus and our illustrated dictionary. We also have one coming out very, very soon that is punctuation and grammar, which I think is going to be awesome. So again, bright colors makes it more fun for kids. I know as a teacher, I'm always kind of irked when they say we need to entertain kids, but I think something like this with visually, with especially the younger kids, elementary school, kind of in middle school, maybe 5th and 6th grade, this is great just to kind of catch their eye and make them think a little bit more about that. And what I think this is good about elementary school is that they're kind of putting the words in here along with the picture. So like, it took us a week to get home, and there's other words in there that they can use. So up at the top it's showing that. So it's kind of, the picture's kind of helping with whatever it is that they are, oops, sorry, that's upside down, under the sea. So catch, diver, flick. So looking for different words for that. So the picture kind of goes along with what they're doing. So with an elementary kid, if they're struggling to find different words, if they're practicing writing, this would be a great resource because it's got the pictures to kind of help them figure out, okay, what am I looking for? So that's our illustrated thesaurus, and then our illustrated dictionary. Lots of information, great to have on your bookcase as well. In the science-ish computer stuff, we've got coding for beginners using Scratch. Scratch is a computer program that kids can learn how to use using this book to make different games and computer programs. So this book walks them through it step by step and helps them create. So this is a really cool thing. Computers are going to be the way of the future. So I think this is great to have for kids to kind of get used to that. Also in the computer realm, we've got Lift the Flap Computers and Coding. This is a very interactive book. I love our Lift the Flap books. They've got some great information, and what's cool about these is that it's not all that information all at one time, so it's got bite-sized chunks for kids to be able to understand and pick up on, and then they've got flaps that give them more information, give them a chance to interact with what they're reading on. There's also one that is new, that is How Computers Work, which I think looks really interesting. And then for math, we have got our illustrated dictionaries. In talking with some math teachers, I've heard great things about how wonderful these are. So we have our first illustrated math, so early elementary school, elementary math, which is going to be for your older elementary kids, and then the illustrated dictionary of math, which is going to be obviously for older than that. So again, just another way for your kids to hear the same information that they're getting at school. So talking about place value. Maybe this is just set up a different way than what their teacher said. It may resonate with them a little bit better, and they may understand it better. So I wish we'd had these around when I was growing up. I think this would have been a huge help. We also have one that's called That's Not a Math Book, which is more of a activity book that kind of deals with that helps kids to get a better grip on that kind of thing. So I hope you found something that you liked.